Children, are you all happy? I am so happy to welcome you all to watch this video. This video is for class 4 ICC subject Social Studies, lesson 9, part 2, session 19. The topic is our industries. I have taught this lesson in the previous video. You can watch that video and go through all the topics what I have covered. And now in this video I have selected 10 words from the lesson. These are new words we are going to learn. First one is resources. RESOURCES, resources. Materials that satisfy our needs. Resources means what? We get materials that satisfy our needs. Next, furniture. Furniture means the things that can be moved. For example, table, chairs, beds, etc. in a room. Spelling for furniture, FURNITURE, furniture. Next, machines, MACHINES, machines. A piece of equipment with the moving part that is designed to do a particular job. Machine, okay. Machines means plural form. Machine means a piece of equipment, tool with moving part that is designed to do a particular job. For example, we have washing machine in everybody's house, isn't it? And it works to take out dirt from our clothes. So it is designed to do a particular job which takes our dirt from our clothes. Okay, so machines means equipments with moving part that is designed to do a particular job. Next, power supply. To work, okay, washing machine, what we need, if there is no current, we cannot work in the washing machine, and we cannot wash our clothes in the washing machine. So we need power supply. It's a energy supply to make it work. Okay, power, POWER, power supply, SUPPLY, power supply. Next, human labor, HUMAN, human labor, LABOUR, human labor. Next, human labor means workers. Okay. Next, cottage industries, COTTAGE, cottage industries, INDUSTRIES. Cottage industries means industries are set up by people in their own homes. Next, weaving, WEAVING, WEAVING. Weaving means to make clothes by passing threads under and over a set of threads that fix to a frame. Okay, weaving, WEAVING. Garments, garments mean cloth. Okay, clothes, garments, GARMENT, garment, a piece of clothing. Next, automobiles, 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 motor vehicles with 4 wheels. Okay, we have some automobile industries in India, and we have Tata, Ford, Toyota, okay, and some these are the names of some car companies, okay. Next, textile mills, TEXTILE, textile mills, MILLS, okay, cloth making factory. Next, we are going to learn some question and answer under the exercise of answer the following. What is an industry and what things do you need to set up an industry? Answer is the process of making a particular product using machines in a factory is called an industry. Let me repeat. What is an industry? The process of making a particular product using machines in a factory is called an industry. Next, to set up an industry, raw materials, machines, power supply, human labor, money and transport are needed. What things do you need to set up an industry? To set up an industry, raw materials, number 2 machines, number 3 power supply, number 4 human labor, number 5 money and transport are needed. Without transport we cannot carry things to the people, okay. Next, we are going to see what are cottage industries. Give 2 example. Industries which set up by people in their own homes with simple tools and locally available materials are called cottage industries. Examples: weaving cloth and making toys. Here is a man putting thread in the handloom machine, okay, to make sari, okay. Weaving clothes on handloom is a cottage industry. Next, we'll see a man is making a toy, okay, with some wires and connecting some wires, small pieces of wire. He's making toys. Next, we'll see third question. What are small scale industries? What goods are generally made in such industries? What are small scale industries and what goods are generally made in such industries? Industries that employ a few workers, konjam workers, okay, who work in a small factory and use small machines are called small scale industries. For example, utensils, okay, what are the goods, things, goods means what, things are generally made in such industries, utensils, vessels, okay, in the kitchen, and garments, clothes we wear. Next, hosiery items, stockings, socks, these are the items, and electrical and plastic goods are made in such industries. See, a man making utensils with machine, okay, small machine. And next, see, people are making garments, okay, all the ladies are working in mills to make garments, okay, dresses. See, socks, different colorful socks, okay. Next, these are the socks comes under hosiery works, okay, hosiery items, stockings and socks items. Next we'll see people making some electrical goods, electrical things. Next, fourth question is, what are large scale industries? Industries that employ thousands of highly trained workers. They should have more experience to work in the machines, big large machines there in the mills. Okay, so they need training. Okay, so industries that employ thousands of highly trained workers and produce a large number of goods with the big machines are called large scale industries. Okay, what are large scale industries? Industries that employ thousands of highly trained workers, okay, and produce a large number of goods with big machines are called large scale industries. You can see in a factory big machines with lot of people, okay, thousands of workers, they'll work in this factory. It is called large scale industries. Go through this question answers, learn the spellings, learn the new words. When you are free, you can make some new words from the new words. Okay, you can coil 2 letters and 3 letters words from the new words. Thank you, children. God bless you all.